Affiliate marketing is the modern-day gold rush, and everyone is on the lookout for that high-yielding gold mine. For the uninitiated, affiliate marketing is a way to earn income by promoting other people's products or services and earning a commission for any sales made through your referral link. Welcome to the Ron Douglas Apps program. Just register for the free webinar on the link below to learn more. Ron Douglas is a name that is virtually synonymous with success in the world of online business. His journey began humbly with him holding a corporate job while his dreams danced around becoming an entrepreneur. After a period of juggling both, he took a leap of faith, bidding goodbye to his regular paycheck to dive headfirst into the vast ocean of affiliate marketing. His impressive combination of patience, hard work, and strategic thinking paid off, propelling him to his current status as an industry leader. After achieving immense success, Ron Douglas decided to share his knowledge and insights with others by creating the Automated Profit Partners Affiliate Program. The Apps program is an exciting opportunity for both budding and established affiliate marketers to amplify their earning potential. Just register in the text below for the free webinar class to learn more.